What is this? It's an apple. What is this? It's a flower. What is that? That's a dog. What is that? That is a museum. What's this? It's a new coffee cup. What's this? It's my book. What's that? That's a car. What's that? That's a famous sculpture. What's that? That's a car. Who is this? This is my friend C.
Who is this? This is my friend C.
Hi, C. Who is that?
Oh, that's our coach.
Who is that? I don't know him. Where are you? I'm in the kitchen. Where are you? I'm at the library. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Where are you from? I'm from Korea. Where is it? It's on your desk. Where is my pen? It's on the desk. Where do you live? I live in Seoul. Where do you live? I live in Seoul. When is it? It's on Saturday. When is the party? It's on Saturday. When do you go? I go next month. When do you go? I go tomorrow.
When does it start?
It starts at 7 p.m. When does the movie start?
It starts at 7 p.m.
Why are you here?
I'm here for work.
Why are you here?
I'm here to study.
Why is it like this? It's broken, I think. Why is it like this? It's broken, unfortunately. How are you? I'm great, thank you. How are you? I'm good, thank you. Wow, a new phone! How is it?
It's great! Super fast!
How is it?
It's a bit complicated.
That's a cool coffee machine. How does it work?
It's automatic. Just press this button.
How does it work? You just press this button.
This scarf is beautiful. How much is it? It's $25.
How much is it? It's $20. These cookies look delicious. How many are there? I baked 2 dozen, so 24. How many are there? There are only 3 left.
Should I get the pasta or the steak? Which one is better?
The steak is amazing here.
I think the black one.
Which one is better? We have purple, yellow, and green balloons. Which do you like?
I like the green one.
We have juice and milk. Which do you like?
I like juice, please. Can I put this here? Is this okay?
Yes, that spot is perfect. So, the event starts at 7 p.m., is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
I finished the report. Is this okay?
Yes, it looks perfect.
So, the meeting is at 3 p.m. tomorrow, is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
I just finished making dinner. Is it good?
It's absolutely delicious! Yay!
Our taxi will be here soon. Are you ready?
Almost. Just need my jacket. We should leave soon. Are you ready?
Almost. Just a minute. Hey, I have a quick question. Are you busy?
No, not at all. What's up? Excuse me, B. Are you busy? A little, but I can talk.
Do you want to grab dinner tonight? Are you free?
Yes, I'd love to.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I am. Why?
So, that's how it works. Do you understand?
Yes, I got it now. Thanks.
So, that's step 3. Do you understand? Yes, I think so.
I bought a new painting for the living room. Do you like it? It's beautiful. I love the colors.
Here's your gift. Do you like it?
Oh, thank you.
Can I talk to you for a moment? Do you have time?
Sure, what is it?
Do you have time to talk?
Yes, I have a few minutes.
That box looks heavy. Do you need help?
Oh, yes, please. That would be great.
Those look heavy. Do you need help?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Do you want this?
Oh, yes, it's beautiful. Do you want this?
Yes, please. Can I help you?
Yes, please. These are heavy.
Can I help you? Oh, yes, please. This box is heavy.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need? Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
Ms. B, can I ask you a question? Yes, A. Go ahead.
Excuse me, can I ask you a question?
Of course. Can I come in?
Yes, please. Come on in. Knock, knock. Can I come in? Yes, please do.
May I sit here?
Sure, it's free. May I sit here?
Yes, it's free.
May I use this?
Yes, of course.
May I use this?
Yes, go ahead. It's getting late. Should I go?
Stay a little longer.
It's getting late. Should I go? You can stay a little longer if you want.
Everyone is here. Should we start?
Yes, let's begin. Everyone is here. Should we start? Yes, let's begin.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Excuse me, what time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
What day is it?
It's Tuesday.
Oh no, I lost track. What day is it?
It's Tuesday. What do you mean?
I mean, we should hurry.
He said it's a game changer. What do you mean?
What do you want?
I'm looking for a gift.
I'm going to the store. What do you want?
Could you get some milk?
How long does it take?
About 2 hours.
How long does it take to get there? About 20 minutes by bus.
How far is it?
About 10 miles. Is the museum close? How far is it? It's about 2 miles.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm just reading a book.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Tom.
What are you looking for?
My toy car!
Excuse me, what are you looking for?
I'm looking for my report.
Hi, I'm James. What's your name?
My name is Lisa. Nice to meet you. You're very tall for your age. How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
Happy birthday. How old are you?
I'm 7 today.
Excuse me, where should I go for the museum?
Go straight ahead.
Excuse me, I'm trying to find the museum. Where should I go?
Turn left at the next corner.
I have a big exam tomorrow. What should I do?
You should review your notes. I don't know what to do. What should I do? Yes, my car broke down.
You look worried. Is there a problem?
Yes, it just stopped. I'm calling for help.
Is there a problem, Mark?
I can't open my book. Oh no! What happened? I accidentally dropped it.
Oh no, what happened here?
The cat knocked it over.
The meeting is at 2.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
The meeting is at 2. Sorry, can you repeat that?
I said I'll be late.
The word is ubiquitous. Can you say it again? I didn't catch that. It's noisy here. Can you say it again?
I'm getting coffee.
So you click here, then there, and it opens.
Please, can you speak slowly?
Okay, but it's simple. Click here, then there.
Whoa, too fast.
I'm learning English. Can you speak slowly? Of course, no problem. This new process is quite complicated.
Can you explain it? I don't quite understand.
I'm a bit confused. Can you explain it? Let me try again. So, finish task A, then task B. Did you get it? Yes, I got it. So, we meet at 3 p.m. Did you get it?
Yes, I got it.
That's how photosynthesis works. Did you understand? Yes, I understood.
Did you understand the lesson?
Yes, we did.
You look a bit down. Is everything okay?
I'm just tired from work.
Are you okay? Is everything okay?
Yes, I'm fine. That concludes our session. Any questions? Yes, I have a question about the budget. That's all for today. Any questions?
Yes, I have one.
This new movie looks interesting. What do you think?
I think it will be great.